Security guard shot and injured after another robbery attempt on a beryllium armored vehicle, this time in Albion, St. Thomas. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Krista Campbell. Also in the news this evening, 2 men are dead after a motor car crashes into a garbage truck in Boscobel, St. Mary. And residents protest bad roads in Sutton's district, Clarendon. There's also a Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay tuned. I'll have the news in detail after this break.